Did you know that when you fall in love, your brain chemistry is almost exactly the same as someone who is addicted to drugs? You have so many love chemicals just flowing through your veins, norepinephrine, adrenaline, all these things that keep you laying up at night just thinking, wow, I cannot wait to see that person again. And believe it or not, there are a few things that you can do to make a man addicted to you in this kind of way. But I want you to beware, my sexy single ladies. This is not about playing games, this is not about manipulating, and this is not about trying to force a guy to be with you. Instead, this is all about you being your best self. And in turn, this is going to make him absolutely addicted to you and want to always spend time with you. Keep watching. Hey there, Adam LODOLCE from sexyconfidence.com, where I help you find love and do it with sexy confidence. And one thing that I noticed back when I was single, going out meeting lots of women, were that there were certain women that I was just magnetically drawn to. I just couldn't get enough of them. And then there were other women where I almost felt repelled from them based on certain actions. And contrary to what you think, it really didn't have to do with their physical looks. Instead, over the years, as I've been coaching so many women on how to go out and find love, it really came down to these three core factors that really make or break it with a man being addicted to you. Get these right and you can have your choice of any man out there. Get these wrong and you are going to constantly be chasing after men and sitting there wondering, why aren't they coming after me? So let's jump right into it. Number one is radiating positive energy. There are certain people out there where everywhere they go, they just have this aura about them of just absolute positivity. And when we go on a first date with someone, the first thing we're really looking for is their outlook on life. And how do they see their life not only in the current state, but also in their future? And there are some people out there who just have a tendency to focus on the negative versus the positive. And that is absolutely repelling for a lot of people. You probably notice this when you go out with certain guys. And then on the flip side, you probably notice there's some people that they just see everything in a positive and more optimistic outlook. And this mindset is massively attractive to men. So what I want you to do is start practicing the mentality of positivity. And anytime you start going down a negative mindset rabbit hole, what I'd like you to do is say this magical one word, and that is reframe, and reframe your mindset a little bit. The second way to make someone addicted to you is by the use of scarcity. As humans, we tend to take things for granted that are readily available to us, whether this is money or food or anything in our life, and this also applies to people. When a person is readily available to us at any time, any place, and they'll always be there, then what it does is sometimes causes us to take them for granted. And if you're not currently in like a committed relationship with a guy, then I recommend you really don't always make yourself available to him, because that creates scarcity. Now, where a lot of dating coaches go wrong with this advice is they try to teach you manipulative tactics to kind of play a certain game. I don't want you to do that. Instead, I want you to be going out and doing interesting things with your life. I want you to be very social. I want you to have a lot on your plate so that your time is naturally scarce. And when that guy does text you on a Thursday night, last minute saying, hey, you want to meet up for a drink? Well, you're not going to be able to do that because your time is scarce. And the more he's going to have to work in order to get into your schedule, the more he's going to pursue you and become addicted to you. And finally, number three is all about emotional support. The path to true intimacy is all about emotional connection and trust. And when a man feels like he can truly trust you and feels supported with his own emotional vulnerability, that is the moment where you start to truly fall in love with one another. So I want to hear from you in the comments below. Which one of these are you going to use the next time you're talking to a guy? And also, if you're ready to take this thing to the next level and get men pursuing you and chasing you for a relationship, click the link in the training below or the link in bio, because I have a great training that's going to help you through this exact process that's worked for tens of thousands of other women in the past. And please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, give it a heart. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube or check us out on Instagram at Sexy Confidence for a ton of exclusive content that I know you're going to love. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you, you sexy single lady, next week. Bye-bye.